No doubt about it, the snow is falling across Maryland. Some areas seeing more of a wintry mix. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the news at 5. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Denise Coco. WJZ is staying on top of the ever-changing conditions.
We have live team coverage tonight with crews in several counties throughout the state.
But let's start with meteorologist Chelsea Ingram. She has the latest on conditions where she is in Baltimore County. Chelsea.
Hi, Denise. Hi, Rick. That's right. I'm in northern portion of Baltimore County, so right where the winter storm warning is in effect. I went from snow today to a really long period of sleet. It came down pretty hard, and then some freezing rain, and I anticipate we'll see the changeover back to snow after about midnight. Let me show you what's going on here with live Doppler radar. We still have some very heavy snow that is falling in areas north and west of the city, and we've seen some significant totals, which Meg will talk more about those. But in northern Baltimore County, we are still dealing with temperatures that are in the 20s. The snow is coming down, some heavy banding into portions of Carroll County, right in around Westminster as well. But more of a changeover starting to happen across the entire state, entire county, excuse me, Harford County there and into Cecil County. So those temperature profiles are changing. As we take a look at the watches and warnings, we have winter storm warnings that are in place north and west of the city, and the areas in pink, that's until 4 a.m. and then winter weather advisories are in effect right along the urban I-95 corridor. It's in the purple where it's going to be more problematic with the wintry mix and perhaps freezing rain as we head into the overnight hours tonight. So for more on how things play out and what you can expect by the time it's all said and done, I'll send things inside to Bob Turk. He has those details for you. Bob.
As you mentioned, we had some snow at the front end. We've got some sleet, freezing rain right now, and rain in some areas. Later tonight, we're going to get another back end snow. So we could end up with 3 to 6 north of the city, 1 to 3 around the city, and 6 to 12 north and west, and 12 plus way out in far western Maryland from Washington County north and west. They could see over a foot of snow very easily. As we've noticed, and we've got the snow already mixing or changing in many areas to sleet or rain, even freezing rain. The snow, however, continues to the far north and western areas, maybe 50, 60 miles north of us. It's pretty much all snow. But through 8 o'clock tonight, we'll see that sleet and freezing rain and some ice pellets mixing in until at least maybe midnight or later. And then we'll see that transition back to snow. We can see additional accumulations happening in the region overnight. So it's not quite done yet. It won't be done till early in the morning, and then some sunshine hopefully later in the day. We do have some updated totals. We just got a report from one of our weather watchers. Parkton, Wendy, reported 9.5 inches of snow. We have some other totals too. Meg has a look at that. Meg?
Yes, thank you, Bob. So our weather watchers so helpful when we do have these winter weather events, so we so appreciate you keeping an eye on the numbers. We are live here with the WJZ Mobile Weather Lab. We're in Roland Park. Let's get a check on the conditions here. So temperature at last check, we were at 33 degrees. We have winds right around 5 miles an hour, kind of west-northwest here. And you can see right now we're up to 34 at this point. Getting a check on those numbers, of course, it all depends on where you are. Really a wide variety in a close range. So Manchester, Carroll County, over 7 inches. Looking at Allegheny County, we have some numbers, 6 inches there for Wolf Mill, and then moving towards Baltimore County, more like 4 inches. So it just depends on where you are, but we just try to give you some of the latest numbers in a variety of places across the state. Of course, we'll get you set for what you can expect as the night goes on. That's coming up in the full forecast. For now, I'm meteorologist Meg McNamara live with the WJZ Mobile Weather Lab here in Roland Park, and I'll send things inside.